Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are talking a common problem that many users face: a slow computer. Over time, as we use our computer, temporarily file get saved which can eventually slow down our system. But we don't worry. In this video, we are going to learn all about these temporary files, how to delete them, and how to make your computer fast again. First, let's understand what is temporary file. Temporary files are created by your operating system, the program you run. They are intended to store data temporarily while the program is running. However, over time, this file can accumulate and take up valuable space on your hard drive, which can slow down your computer. Now let's move on how to find and delete this temporary file. Follow this step. Press Windows plus R and open Run dialog box. Type %temp% and press enter. This will open the folder containing temporary files. Select all the files in this folder and delete them. Don't worry, deleting this file don't harm your computer. Again Windows plus R and type temp and press enter. Select all and delete this file. Again press Windows plus R and type prepatch and press enter. Continue this permission. Select all and delete this file. Now let's move on to how to disk clean. Follow this simple step. Press Windows plus S and type disk cleanup. Disk cleanup, press enter. Check only temporary file and all options unchecked and press OK. Confirm delete file. Last step, disable your startup app. Press Windows plus S and type task manager. Enter. Click on three dots and go to startup app and all option disable. If any option enable, you can disable this.